Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am giving you simple sentences for practice that you can use uh, for your interview preparation and for your day-to-day work also. And this will help you to build more confidence when you're appearing for interview. If you are struggling in English and you want to deliver best when you are going out for interview, and this will also help you when you are delivering work in the company, and when you're talking to business user, when you're talking to colleagues in the team, and this will give you more confidence, and slowly you can build more complex sentences and start practicing, and keep repeating the stuff that you're preparing for you to practice. So that's how you can build more confidence. So let's go and get started with the simple sentences that I have prepared for different scenarios. So when you are explaining your role, these are the simple sentences that you can use. I have worked as a Salesforce developer. I have built and customized Salesforce applications for business needs. I have created custom objects, fields, and workflows in Salesforce. I have written Apex code to automate business processes. When you're talking about your skills, you can use these simple sentences. I know how to use Apex to write triggers and classes. I can build Lightning web components for custom user interfaces. I understand Salesforce data models and relationships. I can integrate Salesforce with other systems using API. I test my code to make sure it works correctly. Asking question, it is very important when you are talking to business users, or when you are explaining, or you have question regarding something, so that is very helpful to ask question in the in the meetings, right? So can you explain the business process to me? What are the requirement for this project? Do you want a declarative or programmatic solution? Should I use Flow or Apex for this ask? Can you give an example of the problem? Explaining your work. So it's important how you explain your work in the interview. So these are the simple sentences that you can practice. I created a custom object to store customer data. I wrote a trigger to update the account record automatically. I built a flow to send an email when record is created. I added a validation rule to check if the field is empty. I use data loader to import records in Salesforce. Talking about problems, these are the sentences that you can practice. The trigger is not working as expected. I'm getting a governor limit error. The API integration is not sending the correct data. There is a permission issue with this user. The flow failed because of the missing field value. Describing achievements. So this can be helpful when you're talking about your achievements in the interview. I reduced manual work by automating tasks with Apex. I improved system performance by optimizing code. I built dashboard to help the sales team to track their progress. I successfully integrated Salesforce with the ERP system. I fixed a bug in the system that caused error in records. Participating in meetings. So these are the sentences that you can use when you are in the meeting. I have completed the development work. The project is on track and will be finished soon. I need more information about the business requirements. I suggest using a batch process for large data updates. Please let me know if there are any changes to the requirements. Explaining tools. So these sentences that you can use when you are explaining tools to someone. I use Salesforce Flow for process automation. I use Apex for complex business logic. I use data loader for importing and exporting data. I use Visual Code to write and edit code. I use Jira to track my task and progress. So that's conclude my video, and please let me know if you have any question, and I'll make more videos to practice, some sentences or complex sentences as well that you can use in the interview, and keep practicing, and you will gain confidence over the period of time. So don't give up. So just practice and practice. So that's the only key to overcome the challenges that you are facing in the interview because of your English. So let me know anything that you want to know, or if you're struggling with something else, just post your comment. I'll be happy to help you out. So, and thanks for connecting with me. I'll catch you up in my next video. Thanks.